Hi guys, today we're going to do some work with our trick words. Remember, trick words are tricky because we can't tap them out, so you just need to be able to look at them and know what they are. So, some of the trick words we've done so far. 1, the, is and his, and the longest word you've ever learned in your whole entire life, a. So today we're going to do the word he. So what letters are in he? Do you know what he means? He is a word that is used to describe a boy in a sentence. So for example, he went to the store. All right, I want you to use your finger and I want you to skywrite the word he. Do it 3 times. When you're done your skywriting, I want you to look at someone around you and I want you to think of your own sentence using the word he. So my example was, he went to the store. So you can use any example that you want. Just tell someone around you. Notice when I write he, that my H touches the skyline, the plane line, and the grass line, where my E only touches the plane line and the grass line. All right, the next word we're gonna do is the word, is the word she. So she is kind of like he, but she is talking about a girl instead of a boy. So my sentence would change from he went to the store to she went to the store. So let's skywrite it first. Do it 3 times. So you would go with your finger, S, H, E, she. So you're gonna do that 3 times. Once you're done, you can think of your own sentence in your head and tell someone around you. All right, so we did he, which talks about a boy. We talked about she, which talks about a girl. And the last one we're gonna do is we. So not he went to the store, not she went to the store, but we went to the store. So a bunch of people went together. So you can skywrite we. Notice we touches my plane line and my grass line. Do it 3 times. When you're done, think of a sentence that uses the word we in it. All right, so now we're gonna turn over and I drew us some sentence frames, just like we would use on the board. I just drew them this time. How many words are gonna be in my sentence? How many words? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. But before I write my sentence, I have a couple questions. Why does this one have this thing above it? What does that mean? What does that tell me about my sentence? I hope you said that that's an uppercase letter, and it would be an uppercase letter because it is the first letter of the sentence. All right, we always have to make sure this is uppercase. Well, what are these little guys at the end? What goes in there? I hope you said punctuation. So what are the 3 types of punctuation I can put at the end? I can use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. All right, so I'm gonna write some of my sentence, and then you're gonna fill in the word that I'm missing. Okay, so it says, blank went home. So our trick words that we learned today were he, she, or we. Which trick word do you think we should use? I think we'll start with he. So remember, this has to be an uppercase letter because It's my first letter of the sentence, right? So now it says, he went home. He went home. But I think I forgot something. What did I forget? What do you notice? I know my H is a little funky. But what did I forget? I forgot a period. Right? Or I could, if I was super excited that he went home, I could make an exclamation point. He went home. I'm super excited about that he went home. All right, so now I used he. I'm going to take my exclamation point away. I'm just going to use a period. All right, so I used he went home. Next, I'm going to use she went home. So again, this is going to be an uppercase letter because it's the first letter of my sentence. And now it says, she went home. Now I use she. The last one I'm going to use is the word we. Uppercase W because it's the first letter of my sentence. And now it says, we went home. What do we call when we're not reading like a robot? Should we read this like, we went home? Does that sound right? We have to do what to it? Do you remember what it's called? We can do this with ice cream sometimes. We can scoop it, right? So if I were going to scoop this sentence, I would scoop it like, we went home. So we went, pause, home. All right, guys, I'll see you later.